So this morning at 2 AM I got on the boat from Dublin to Holyhead, and now I'm going from Dover, I think it is, to Calais. I think it's like 2 AM. Got a new friend. Hi. CM. This is heaps of fun. We're going to Paris. Yeah, I'm keeping on going to Geneva. I think it's like a 15 hour ride or something. So the Irish leg of the tour is done, and now the Switzerland part of the tour begins. Bam. Okay, so it's not 2 AM. It's 6 PM. I must be really tired, but to get the times totally wrong. But we are getting on the ferry, going from Dover to Calais. Got my coffee. So we missed the connecting bus. There's all these people a bit stuck, and I'm going to arrive in Geneva not at 7 in the morning, but at 6 PM at night, and then I'm going to have to leave. Okay, so it's the morning, and there's a few of us. A couple of us waiting. Just 3 of us getting up the bus in the morning. Will I make it for the concert? Internet. There's only internet on my one phone, and I've got 3 devices that won't access it. So, so I'm in Châteaudet, and we are in Early Beck. We've got their glass. It's very cool. Okay, so I'm making a bit of a salad. It's a bit of cabbage, carrot, lettuce, spring onion, tomatoes, red onion. What a cucumber, seriously. Weird shape, but it will be good. It's Wednesday afternoon. We found this Renault electricity powered car. It's like Back to the Future, isn't it? Back to the Future with electricity, I guess.
Back to the Future, that was
yeah, it came out the other way, didn't it? We've arrived in Diaries 2 hours before the rescheduled show, and we've arrived at this place which says it's Eisenhower. So we think it's I think that it's in Lord of the Rings. So we've got a robotic what's it called? A robotic
it's a lawnmower.
Robotic lawnmower. Not a robotic vacuum cleaner, but
Which they have.
so this is like the best lake. You can actually swim. Pretty nice. Not got the swimmers, but pretty nice. So I'm at the Le Corbusier Museum. Been to his ones in Paris, I think he's got one, but this is the house which houses all of his work, well, some of his work, but it's closed. It was meant to be open 12 till 6, but closed. But luckily the outside is almost as beautiful as the inside is, I'm sure. Let's have a look. Amazing, this glass. It's a beautiful part of Switzerland. So we're here, Concert Langsters, Cafe New Zealand.
Hey.
The beautiful we're there's no kitchen in this place. Well,
No.
there's a small kitchen, but they do dirty cappuccinos. Espressos. Very good coffee though.
And
we've
sweaty
got
cheese.
Sweaty cheese. That's the thing to get. Yeah, baby. Last day in Zurich, and then I'm off to London tonight at 8 p.m. I'm gonna get the bus. Hopefully it won't be like last time where last time they were 8 hours late. We missed, well, they were 2 hours late, we therefore missed our connection. Therefore 8 hours late, therefore missed our gig. So hopefully that won't happen this time, but wish me luck. Get a coffee.